In 5 years, I see myself graduated from Macomb Community College with my associate's degree in paralegal studies. I also see myself graduating with my bachelor's in business. With both of those, I see myself being certified by the ACEDS in electronic discovery. All those will lead me to my main goal, which is to work for a great company that I can learn and grow with. Now, my biggest strengths and weaknesses are my strength, I would say, is my analytical skills. I'm a waitress, so I am constantly communicating and solving problems in my restaurant. There's a lot of things that I have to do and prioritize while I'm getting maybe 3 tables at once. I have to make sure all my guests leave satisfied and happy, ready to return. My biggest weakness, I would say, is I'm a perfectionist. I let little details that may not be anything to anyone bother me. It'll keep me up, and I have to sit there and keep working on something until it is absolutely perfect, when it could have been great before and perfect before. I'm just trying to work on it, not letting it bother me as much.